Hey everyone, good lovely sunny morning. It is me, Jasmine. How are you folks doing? Hello. It is a beautiful morning here in the town of Stamford, Texas. Not Stanford, but rather Stam, S-T-A-M, Stamford, Texas. So I'm at this site called Truck Bed Ranch. And I want to do a quick vlog video just showing you this adorable setup right here. So you basically have a row of truck beds stuck to the ground. It almost reminds me of Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. But instead of just a straight row, this is the truck beds are. Let's see, they form a perfect circle. Yes, they do. Oh, it is a lovely day here in Stamford. So basically, it's a circle of truck beds, and there's a cross in the middle with a flag on top. I don't know, maybe the folks that put this setup together, maybe they got their inspiration from the Cadillac Ranch, or maybe it's the other way around. I'll have to look into it, but regardless, it looks like you are free to tag the truck beds. Oh, look at that. Isabel was here. Oh, I wish I brought a spray paint. Over at Cadillac Ranch, the Cadillac Ranch near in Amarillo, Texas, they do sell spray paints. Ooh! Oh my goodness! Look at that. Somebody broke a glass there, so if you visit the area, just be careful. Oh, this is just too cute. Oh dear, somebody wrote a profanity there. Oh goodness gracious. I have to apologize in advance for some of the writing. Oh, wait a minute. There are spray cans. Let me see. Oh no, these are empty. No, let's see here. Maybe this one? No, that's empty. Oh, bloody hell. They're all empty. Oh. Whoever brought those here really made use of them. Oh, this is just so cute. Oh, wait a minute, there's another spray can there. Let's see. Oh, that's empty too. I'm the only one here. Now, the Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas, that gets a lot of visitors. And of course, they sell quite a lot of spray cans. And the thing is, so I've been to the Cadillac Ranch twice. I'll be visiting there again. Folks don't actually use the spray cans that they buy. They don't actually use the whole thing. Like they'll just spray a couple of names, maybe a shout out, and then that's it. Because whatever you spray on one of those cars at the Cadillac Ranch, give it 2 or 3 minutes later, somebody somebody's gonna spray paint over that. They'll do their own names and so forth, and so you really only get like a few minutes to really enjoy your work of art, if you can think of it that way. Now I also want to show you something. Oh, it is there's a nice breeze, but it is also very, very cold. I want to show you that adorable beetle right there. Let's look at that. Oh, that is so cute. It is just so adorable. I like how they painted it yellow with black spots. So this is just a quick vlog video showing you this adorable setup right here. I don't know if I had a spray can. I don't know what I would spray on the truck beds, on a few truck beds. I don't know, maybe I'll just say Jasmine was here. Hashtag pop, lock, and drop it. Well, let me see. You know, I know this feels empty, but I may be able to squeeze a few. Let me see here. Okay. Ooh, and I know there's a car passing right now. They probably think I'm up to something no good. Oh no, I just found this on the ground. All right, let's see. Can we do something there? Based on the wind direction, I think I will. But let me tell you, if you're going to do this, you better make note of the wind direction. Oh goodness gracious, I made a mistake at the Cadillac Ranch. Get all of that stuff in your nostrils. Let's see. I think I'll do this one right here. See what I can do. Jasmine. Oh, there's still. Hold on, let's see here. Oh, I know somebody's probably cursing my name. No, let me see. Is there anybody? No, nobody's passing by. Let's see. Jasmine. You know what? I think I can squeeze another name out of this can. So this is blue. Let me see. Can you guys make out my name there? Oh, I don't know. It's not very, I don't know, it's not very legible, is it? Let's try this one right here. You guys see my shadow? All right, what should I put here? Well, I think I'll do this one up here. I'll do my name. Oh, well, Jasmine is a very common name. Let me, what should I put? Let me do peace. Oh, look at that. All right, I'll leave that can there for whoever wants to tag. All right, so let me go get a closer look of that beetle right there. And yeah, listen, if you do visit, just be mindful of where you step, because there are a lot of broken bottles, and I hate it when folks do that. That's dangerous, and it's just really disrespectful. All right, let's get a closer look of this adorable beetle right here. Spider beetle. Oh, this is too cute. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, this is the, is that the front? Yeah. Oh, that's just too adorable. It is a quiet morning. Let's see here. Gosh, some of the words that have been spray painted on these truck beds. I know you folks are going to pick some of them up. You're going to spot them as you pay close attention to the truck beds. All right, everyone. So that's that for this very quick vlog video of the truck bed wrench. Don't forget to hit the like button and I will see you in the next upload. All right, take care. Bye-bye.